Hey, Olivia, we're going to draw another Squishmallow today. Which one are we drawing?
Eevee.
Eevee. And we hope you're going to follow along with us. Drawing Squishmallows are our favorite. We say it all the time because it's one big giant oval?
Shape.
Yeah, an egg or an oval shape. I like how big she is, or he. And look how big these ears are.
They're massive.
Yeah. You don't need an Eevee Squishmallow for this lesson, but what do you need?
Art supplies
Yeah.
and markers and whatever.
Yeah, whatever you're going to draw with. We're using markers, but you can use colored pencils or even crayons. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey, parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. We're going to draw the big shape of the Squishmallow. Then this is basically the same shape for all of them. That's why I like drawing them so much.
Yes, they're so simple.
Yeah, we're gonna draw a rainbow line or upside down U. We're gonna start here and we're gonna come up, around, and down.
It's a roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
Oh,
Oh,
yay,
yay!
done.
That's where you feel good, and then that's where you lose your lunch.
Oh, yes.
Okay, then we're gonna draw the bottom. We're gonna draw it curving around and connecting over here. Oh, I got a little bumpy. That's okay. But I got a little bump over here.
Oh, no, it's going upside down.
That's oh.
I can't see.
That's where you're going through a tunnel. Okay, now let's draw the ears for Eevee, and they're really big. How big are they? This big.
Let's see here.
Okay, let's measure them.
Yeah,
Okay, they're gonna go off the paper. We're gonna start, we can draw them smaller. We're gonna draw a big curve that comes up, and then I'm gonna draw that same curve that comes up to the other side. Kind of makes Eevee look like a rabbit. Then we're gonna draw the ear coming back down and then getting really close to where we started on the same, both sides. Same on both sides. Yes. Okay, now let's add the little color thing, the fluffy part right here. We're gonna do that so that we can cut or kind of separate, divide Eevee into half. And then we'll know where to put the face. Then right here, we're gonna draw a letter V right in the middle and leave space on both sides. You left a lot of space on the side, so we could divide. I've got Eevee on my lap, it's making it difficult. I'm gonna just draw a diagonal line that comes out to the side, but you could add another letter V and then go back up and then down. Or yeah, do that, because it's kind of hard to see on the camera, but there's this part that comes down and then comes back up. Yeah, I don't know if that's helping. Probably not. Okay. Now let's draw Eevee's face. We're gonna draw the letter V right here, and it's super small. Yeah, and then we're gonna draw the top, so it turns it into an upside down triangle. And then we're gonna draw the eyes, and we're gonna draw them really tall. I love drawing Squishmallows. Because we can draw
character Squishmallows.
Yeah, characters, because we can draw, oh, this one got a little smaller. Look at that. That's okay, right?
Yes, that's absolutely fine.
Because the most important thing is,
To have fun and practice.
yeah, we're gonna add highlights in the top of each eye, and then color in the big oval, but leave that little one white. And see, because we're using markers, or well, really this will work with any art supply, but I'm gonna make this a bit bigger. We'll just go around it again, and there we go. Match the same size. Well, it's kind of the same size. Yeah, I think that works. Oh, you got really big eyes. That's awesome. And then we can add the mouth. The mouth's kind of cute because we're gonna draw it looking like it's frowning first. He's sad, or she. And then we're gonna draw it curving up on the sides. Yes. Okay, next let's add the details to the ears. We're gonna draw the same shape. I'm gonna start up here, maybe that could make it a bit easier. And we're gonna draw the same shape as the ears in here. And then at the bottom, we can draw a zigzag line inside for the fur.
For little fluffies.
Yeah, and you could add a couple zigzags if you want. I love that you drew the right side first because you're left-handed. I think that works really well because then you can match. You can look at this side while you're drawing over there.
Sounds big.
Whoa, lots of fur. I like it. Whoa.
Zigzag roller coaster.
And then we're zigzag roller coaster. And then we're gonna add zigzag for the fur on top of Eevee's head, going across. Really almost connects from ear to ear. Look, now we can show our friends. Look at this hair right here, or fur. It looks like yours. Okay.
He has a big hairdo now.
Yeah. And then the last thing we can add details right here, the little feet. We're gonna just draw a letter U's.
Oh,
I'm gonna
little hands.
Oh yeah, hands.
Fans.
Fans. Right, I say in between feet and hands. Fans. So we're gonna draw letter U's. Yeah, does Eevee have 2 hands and 2 feet or 4 feet?
Ooh, or 4 hands.
He
He can also
sure.
hold things with his feet too.
Oh yeah.
Or her feet.
Well, for sure, I know Eevee doesn't have 4 hands. So, and then I added 2 toe lines on each hand or foot or fan.
Let's just fan. Yes, fanned.
Fan. And we did it. We finished drawing Eevee, Squishmallow version. Except we still need to
color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you can pause the video if you want to match our same color. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring Eevee and he turned out awesome.
Or
she, yeah. And what was your favorite part?
Hairdo.
Yeah, that's mine too, the hairdo. Mine's all going to the left, but yours is everywhere.
He didn't brush his hair today.
No, not today. And I also like that our 2 drawings look a little different. Especially love how cute yours turned out with the bigger eyes. The most important thing is
To have fun.
and
Practice.
yeah, we say it all the time and even sometimes twice because it really is the most important thing. And I'm sure our friends' drawings look a little different too, but I'm sure they turned out awesome.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.
You gotta squish them.